Hi, it's Mimi from Living Well Kitchen, and today I'm making an easy Mexican cream cheese appetizer. It's great to take to parties because you can make it ahead of time and ingredients are easy to find. We're gonna stir together the tomatoes and the spices. I'm using apple cider vinegar. You're welcome to use lime juice or white vinegar. Lemon juice will do well, and oil. If you want this to be spicy, you can add some jalapeno and then almost all of the cheese. I'm gonna save some of the cheese to sprinkle on top. Then stir it all together. I am so good at guessing the wrong bowl size. I thought this bowl was gonna be too big. Okay, that looks good. So we're gonna set this aside. Let's get that cream cheese layer going. We're just gonna plop this block of cheese on here. So I'm just gonna push this down into a thinner layer. That way, you get more surface area so it gets covered in more of the goodies. If you want to be civilized, you can use a spatula, or you can be like me and use your hands. Instead of it being an inch thick, it's now about 1/4 of an inch thick. And then smooth it out if you want. Wash my hands. Then we're gonna top it all in the tomato mixture. Just pour it on top. Spread it all around. Then top it with the remaining cheese and cook it. So you can bake it or you can grill it. I think that looks good. Now we're gonna put it in the oven. It's cooked. It's just a big old pile of cheese with tomatoes on top, and it's gonna be good. Let's have a bite. Sprinkle with cilantro or parsley and serve with crackers. For this recipe, I've used reduced fat and regular cream cheese. Both will work fine. I wouldn't use fat-free though. If you're baking this in the oven, you can put this in a baking dish, but you can also grill this. It's super easy that way too. And what's great about this is you can make it ahead of time. So you can have this all prepared, pop it in the fridge, and then when you're ready to cook it, just pull it out. If you want to make this a little bit more presentable, you can just take some kitchen scissors and cut around. I don't know if this counts as presentable with my jagged edges, but hey, you know what? No one is going to care at all because it's gonna be so delicious. There we go. Gorgeous. Just absolutely beautiful, and you can just move it around as, oh, it's warm, it's very hot. Okay, that's it. Enjoy. Okay. Why you gotta stick like that? This is how I get ready. All right, we're just gonna go with it. Luckily, Mr. Loud Car, I messed that one up. So we'll go right. I said summer, but you know, like you can make this all year. Sprinkle with cilantro or parsley. Words are always hard. Hi, it's me. Whoa, thought I saw a spider. Hi, it's, hi. For the full recipe, visit Living Well Kitchen. And if you enjoyed this video, please like and share.